we looked at all of this right here. And we're just going to do a review of everything that we did so far. And the backyard and garage. And please stay tuned because I'm going to show you other photos that I did not show before, okay? And I also want to get more detailed into it. Along with art, I love architecture and interior designing, but I'm not trained in any of these fields. I always want to know what my house would look like in the future, so I choose to do this as a fun hobby, to look for designs I like, and I'm going to do it with you guys. You can follow along. Just note, my focus is never on material things but my soul. Now, for those who are just joining my channel, this is a series where I find things that I think I might want for my dream home, even though I might just buy a house not looking anything like this. But even if I do so, I can be able to change whatever I want to something similar that I found here. Okay, so this is just my idea of my dream home. All right, guys. So I think that any home that I purchase is not going to be my dream home, but it's going to be a home nonetheless, and I will be still grateful. I will be grateful just the same. Okay, it's just my idea of my dream home and what I would have liked. Okay, all right, so we're looking at garage. All right, this is clean. I like this one. Open image in a new tab. Now I would want 2-car garage because definitely I would like my husband to have a car and I should have a car, or if we have a guest, the guest can park in the other section. So it depends. All right, I think parking garage is good. 2 doors would also be good. I think I like 2 doors. Yes, I think I like 2 doors. Okay, but if not, this is a nice picture of a 1 door and it's very clean. I like that. All right, this is a good one too. 2 doors. Open in a new tab. Now I would like my garage to be neat and clean. And for those who are new watching this, I also want to get more detail and to do like a mock-up or a 3D version of this where you can literally walk through the different areas. But you would have to stay tuned for that. You would have to stay tuned for that. So for this now, I think this is very clean and nice. This one is nice too. I like how this is clean and organized, so I'm gonna open that in a new tab. I like how they have their garage clean and nice though, but I'm sure in real life it's something looking like this. My Jesus, look at this child. What is this doing here? Stop, really stop. Don't go in none at all. No sir. I saw people garage. Look now. They're showing this clean one like this one. Look guys, they're showing this type of garage, but a sudden garage look people. But anyways, non-judge, I don't have any garage right now. But look at this, man. Wow, this is beautiful comparing to this one here. Alright, that's alright. So since I'm gonna click back this and see what is underneath. Oh my, some of these are so cute. Oh my. Overhead, I'm not liking the overhead things because with me, I am not too liking spiders and lizards. I'm not the one for overheads. All right, nope. This is cute. I like the color. Do I need this one? It's an inspiration, but since it's an inspiration, I'm going to let it stay. This is cute too. This is cute, but hopefully I don't have so much things to put in bins in the garage, because I will have a storage room. I also wanted one more room, but I don't remember what room was that, but I guess eventually it will come back to me. Yes guys, so that would be the garage, neat and clean. So let's look at what we have so far, guys. We got this, that with the 2 doors, neat and clean there. 2 space garage with the red. I like the red though. I like the red for me, but I don't think my husband will like the red, but it's cute. All right, this one I think he would more like in terms of the browns. He's a browns person. So I like this. This color is cute. I prefer turquoise, but probably turquoise is a bit too light, so this dark color would do. I'm not liking too much bins, but if it push come to shove and I need more space, this would be good. This is also cute, white and clean. All right guys, just to make sure this is recording, I'm gonna stop this and come back. All right guys, so we're done with the garage. So I'm gonna X all of these off. Alright, so now we'll be looking at the outside area. So it would be U-shaped. For persons who are just joining or just seeing this video, U-shaped house. Well, you will see, because I will do a review. But basically I want a U-shaped house with a pool in the middle, something like this, right? Open image and new tab with the pool in the middle. U-shaped house with a pool in the middle. Oh, this is cute. Alright guys, so this is nice too, but it's not a U shape. Oh, probably I can. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. This is an AI. This looks like an AI. This is not AI. This is very nice. Very. Alright, look at these, man. Oh my god. Tell me this isn't cute. This is cute, man. Look at all these. Anyways, I only can pick a few to show you guys, because all of them just look cute. Alright, I just can pick a few. Alright, whoa, look at these. Look at this, guys. Tell me this no noise. No, man. Anyways, guys, this is a lot. All of these are beautiful, guys, but obviously I would have to select a couple. Oh my, all of these are cute. Feel like select all of them, guys, but look at these ones over here. I can't select everything, but all of them so cute. Alright, so I'm gonna come offline and guys, my kids are playing and I can't get them to stop right now. Alright, so I'm gonna come offline, put some in my document and come back to you guys. All of these are so beautiful. Alright guys, so I'm back. So this is the garage area, right? I choose to select some organizing what do you call it now, organization for the garage. So this is it right here, and this would be a one door thing right there. I think I would like the one door situation though. Yeah, one door would be best. And this is the organization. Is it cute? Cute, cute, cute. And obviously, if I don't like any of this, I can always go back to the video and select one from there. Alright. Now these look at these, guys. So this is what I'm talking about. For those who have been watching for a long time, I mentioned that I don't want any big pool, just a plunge pool. Alright. These are just inspiration. Alright. I definitely want like a balcony thing going around like that, but it's not supposed to be open like this. Probably like this. It looks more closed off. I thought this was just cute, white and clean with the benches here. Yes. Now this part would be like the walkway section. But this part would be more open. That's the best way I can describe it, guys. So going back to the ones that we found, so these are the ones that I decided on mainly, and these were the ones that we found, guys. Because these are all cute, guys. Look at this. This almost looks like an AI. This is AI. Alright. This seems like AI too. But it's cute. It's cute. Especially this one. It's so cute. Alright, so guys, this is a good example of a plunge pool. This is so small and clean and nice. So this is something towards what I want, but then I'm thinking about the seat that I showed you. So you know. Alright guys, so that is it for the back area. Now I'm gonna do a bit of review now for those who are just joining my channel and watching this video. Okay, this is what we got so far from the series, and remember the series is not done as yet, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is what we got from the series. This would be the bathroom area for my kids. This would be my son's room. This would be my daughter's room and closet. This would be something towards what I would want for the front door. Something like that. I would like a black door, or if not black, a brown wood door. But they're all inspiration, guys. This is what I would like for the stairs. Cute inspirations. This is what I would want for the foyer. Cute. This is what I would want for the front view of the house, similar to that. Not exactly, but similar. This is what I would want for the walls. I want tall walls, probably 6 to 7 feet. Probably 6 to 7 feet walls. This would be the gate area. I don't think I showed you in the last video. No, I don't think I showed you in any of the videos, because I think this one wasn't necessary. But now you see it. This would be the gate. So black or brown. I like the brown wood thing going on here. This would be, I don't think I showed you guys this one, but I'm not sure about this one, so I wasn't sure if I should show it in the video. Probably as you walk in, there's another seating area somewhere, but I'm not sure as yet. Not sure as yet. Like in a corner or something. Yes. This would be the area view. This would be the guest room, and as I mentioned in one of my videos, I probably want to change the guest room a bit because I want a different type of bathroom and a different type of setup. But this would be a cute idea for a simple one. But stay tuned if I do change it, okay guys? This would be an example of the man cave that I would want my husband to have. This would be my art room, more or less. Just examples. I'm gonna show you some other photos that I find that I did not get to put in here, but they're all inspirations or examples I can always go back on. Yes, this would be my prayer room or prayer area. This would be the gym area. This would be the bathroom downstairs, like the, what you call it, the powder room. But I want my powder room to have a little shower like this just in case. This would be the living room. Now I want my living room to be tiled or look similar to a theater room. So this is why the black is like that. The living room is black. Or if not, it could be something like this or this. This would be the kitchen with the coffee nook here. A coffee nook, example of a coffee nook there. This would be the kitchen and the pantry. Because for those who are watching, I mentioned that I want the pantry tie in with the dining room, tie in with the kitchen somehow. So it's like an open concept like thing going on. So this would be the dining room table. This would be the washroom. And I have some more ideas for the washroom, but it's in another photo that I did not get to show you guys. So stay tuned for that. This would be the garage, and this would be the outside setting, something towards that. This would be the gazebo or the pergola or the outside area where the pool would be. On the other end, this would be the gardening area. This would be a part of the front view of the house. This is nice. I really like that, this entry here. Look at this matte black garage. This is so cute. This would be the bedroom setting. Yes, along with the closets and along with the closet. Yes, the opening of the closet. And I think I have some more photos that I did not show you guys in terms of the closet, in terms of detailing. So stay tuned for the detailed video. This would be the master bathroom. I have some other photos I want to show you guys with this, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so that is it for today. Stay tuned guys. I'm going to show you some unseen photos. I'm going to show you guys some unseen photos, so stay tuned for that. Then I want to go into more details, a bit more specific on things I really do want in my house. So even if I don't get this dream house guys, there's little things that I definitely want to implement in the house that I do buy. For example, a niche similar to this or similar to the other one that I found. Okay, so stuff like that. For example, this one, if the house that I buy do not have something like this, I might change it out or renovate it to look like this. Okay, so I'm not dwelling on this specifically for those who are just joining my channel and did not watch the first video. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.